Hi Crafty Peeps, Enis here, and I'm back with another Craft With Me video. This video is going to feature KSCraft's Elegant Paperclip die set. You get 3 in the set. You get a round one, an oval one, and a rectangle one, and they're all so very, very pretty. I love the lace border with the little cutouts in it, and you get the base piece and 2 layering pieces. And I've got 2 samples that I've got done here already, and I used Recollections rose gold cardstock from Michaels, just a little bitty, I think this is a 1/8 inch size pink ribbon from my stash. I also used some glitter tulle from Dollar Tree. This is the pink one. And then I used a flower from this Dollar Tree floral set. Very, very pretty. And also these flat back sticker pearls. So with that, let's get started with this project. I'm just going to put these 2 aside and bring my pieces over. So what I did was I cut a base piece out of just plain white, medium weight cardstock, so I can give a little bit of heft to my project, as well as the rose gold. I have a piece of bubblegum colored plain cardstock and a magenta glitter cardstock, and I think this is from I think it's from Cricut. Yeah. So anyway, we'll get started with this by adding a little bit of glue to this white base piece and just dotting it all the way around the outside, just very lightly. You don't want to get too much because then it'll go through the holes and make a mess. And then I'm just going to kind of smudge that a little bit so I take some of the excess off. Layer these 2 pieces on top of one another, making sure you line them up good. Okay, press that down. And the base piece is done. Then I'm going to take my magenta glitter piece and do the same thing. I'm just going to add my glue around the edges, in the middle there. Take off just a little bit of extra. And then I'm going to layer these on top. And once again, you want to try to layer them up really nicely so the holes line up well. So pretty. I love this cardstock. Okay. And then what I did with these is I did pop up the top piece here on some foam tape. So I'm going to do that with this piece here. Just get some on there. Okay. All right. And then I like to take my Cricut weeding tool to pick off the paper backing from the tape. It's very, very handy. Okay. And by the way, I'm having a great response to my contest I have going on to celebrate getting over 400 subscribers, and also to celebrate my upcoming channel name from Enis Blisman to Paper Crafting with Enis, and that will be effective May 1st. The contest is open right now, and it will close on May 1st at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will draw the winners on May 2nd. So let me just pop this on here. You have to be a visible subscriber to my channel. You have to be 18 years or older and a U.S. resident. And you have to leave a comment below the description box for the contest video, and I will link that video down below. Don't leave a comment for the contest on this video. Go to the video for the contest to do that in order to be eligible. I've got 3 really great prizes that I'm giving out for that contest. And yeah, so if you're interested in a paper collection, wax seals, extra dies, I mean, I've got a bunch of goodies that I'm giving away in that contest. So hop on over to that video and check that out. But anyway, what I'm doing here is I'm taking that Dollar Tree tool and I'm just folding it zigzag style back and forth as if I were making a rosette. And what I'm going to do now that I've got it folded, I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to put a little blob in there. And I'm going to fold this over. And don't you know I'm having trouble folding it? There it goes. All right. And that should hold together nicely. And I like to actually trim this in sort of a circle, just because I like that look, but you're welcome to do anything you like. And I also cut into the tool and sort of make a fray edge. Okay, because I like the way that fans out. It almost makes like a pom-pom. Give you some added dimension on your project. Okay, so what I'm going to do, put myself another blob of glue there and put this down. And I may have to trim this up for shaping, but you get the general idea. So that's on there. And now it's time for me to choose another flower. And I don't want to overpower this too much, so I need to choose something that's relatively small. Let me see how this one would look. We've got the dark one, and we have this lighter one. Let's see, which one do I like better? I think I'll do the dark one. I did light ones on the other two, so I think I'll do the dark one on this one. So what I'm going to do is add another dot of glue here. And add my flower. Okay. I think I have to fluff this out a little bit more. There we go. This one doesn't have quite as much fluff in it as the other two, but that's okay. It's just the extra layering that I like. So that's that. And then I'm going to take one of my pearls, and I'm actually going to peel the sticky part off the back because I'm going to stick this down with hot glue. I don't think that the sticky that's on these pearls is actually going to hold well. All right, I'm going to put my dot of glue on here. And add my little pearl. Wow, that's cute. Really, really cute. And then I'm going to put my bow on. Okay, little spot of glue there. And add my bow. Make a little adjustment here and there. Fluff my bow out. There you have it. Okay, so here are my 3 paper clips. Super, super cute. Super fun and easy to put together using the KSCraft Elegant Paperclip dies. So yeah, there you have it. So anyway, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'd like to encourage you to do so and join my crafty community. I really appreciate you spending time with me, and don't forget about my challenge. I will link that video in the description box below, and I will talk to you later. Have a great evening, and I'll see you later, crafty peeps. Bye-bye.